Hey guys, welcome to the second day of our introductory lesson to seventh grade math, project-based, mastery-based learning. So far, you should have already completed 3 of these check marks from lesson 1 yesterday. So now we have our second lesson, which is called All About Me. So first, we're going to says watch the video to complete the All About Me Google slide correctly and submit according to directions. So we're going to go to Canvas. We're going to go to Modules. And now we're going to click the Intra All About Me Google slide page. And then you're going to be watching this video, and then we're going to make a copy of this All About Me Google slideshow. So go ahead and open this up, this assignment, click this slideshow, file, make a copy, entire presentation, and I'm going to go ahead and backspace the copy of just because it's kind of redundant. And then I'm going to make sure it's in my math folder. So change the folder that it's in and find your Math 7 folder, and then click select. Do not click cancel. I'm doing that because I already have it in one of my folders. Once you click the folder that you want it in, go and click make a copy. Okay? Now you're going to follow all of these directions on each slideshow. On each slide in this slideshow. Okay, it's all about me. So you're going to give information about your family, your hobbies, your favorite subjects, fun facts, dream vacation, and you choose any topic. And then you're also going to be inserting your avatar. Okay, so once you create your avatar, you're going to put it in here with the link provided. Okay. Please make sure you read all the directions. It says to fill out 1 through 3 sentences on each slide and 2 to 6 pictures on each side that represents your topic. So I'm going to show you an example of a slide, a perfect example of a slide, and then you guys should kind of do your own spin on it from what I will do. So I'm going to pause it and show you what a great example of a completed slide looks like. All right, I'm back. So as you can see, I wrote a sentence. I said, some of my favorite hobbies include playing pool, playing basketball, and hanging out with my friends. I play in a pool league on Thursday nights, and I enjoy playing Lego Legends with my friends. So, and I have 3 pictures. So I accomplished the task of having 1 to 3 sentences and 2 to 6 pictures. So this is a great example of what a finished slide would look like. You need to do that the same thing on all of these slides. Okay? So that is a perfect example of how to get full points and credit for this assignment in this Google slide. You finished your slideshow, so you finished all of the slides. You now need to, on this assignment page, you need to now make a QR code maker with a link to your slide. So once you're done, you're going to click File, Share, Share with Others. This is very important. When you click anyone with this link, you want to click Viewer, and then you're going to copy the link. Once you have that link, you now need to go to this link, the QR code maker website, and you need to Control V or right click paste the link to your presentation. This is your QR code. So after you've created your QR code, you now need to click this button right here where it says copy image to clipboard. Click 1000px. Now go back to the Canvas assignment, and you're going to open up this class QR code Google slide. So click that button. To this slide, click a new empty slide, and you're going to type your name in an empty box. If you need to add a new slide, you can do that by inserting new slide. Once you type your name in, you're going to then Control V, your QR code. Change it if you want, change the size a little bit, doesn't matter. Go ahead and then delete this text box. So now I can use my phone to scan your QR code and access your Google slide, All About Me slideshow. Now that you have gotten your 2 things completed for this assignment, you now need to click Start Assignment. This is where you submit. This is how you're going to submit a lot of Google Drive assignments for me. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to click the second Google Drive option. Select File. And then now you need to find your All About Me slideshow link, not your QR code link. You need to find the Google slide, your All About Me slide. And you're going to click it and click Add. Click Attach. And then you are going to click Submit. And then you are all done.